Closely, we have a new video to show you this morning from Bangkok after an earthquake triggered a catastrophic building collapse early Friday morning. An urgent search for survivors resumes today as crews say they detected signs of life from underneath that rubble. There could be more than 100 people trapped, according to authorities. And as you can see in this footage, crews are searching in very tough conditions. At least 10 people died from the collapse, and at last check, about 1,000 more have died from the earthquake that shook Thailand and Myanmar. ABC's Dave Packer has the latest.
Casualties are expected to rise as search and rescue efforts are underway after a powerful 7.7 magnitude earthquake rocked Myanmar. The epicenter felt more than 600 miles away in Bangkok. This video showing the moment a building under construction collapsed in Bangkok.
And it was just horrifying to see that destruction.
First responders raced to save the injured and search for survivors. More than 150 people killed across the region, hundreds injured, and dozens missing.
This is a massive search operation. Crews here are working all through the night, searching for any signs of life in that giant piece of rubble.
President Trump vowing support from the U.S.
Yeah, we're going to be helping. We've already alerted the people. Yeah, it's terrible what's happened. It's a real bad one, and we will be helping. We've already spoken with the country.
The U.S. State Department says that USAID is ready to help, but is still in standby mode, waiting for direction from the White House.
The United States is evaluating the need for assistance based on requests and dynamic reporting.
Dave Packer, ABC News, New York.
Turning now to